Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own burrito. Let's start with the essential ingredients. First, grab a large, soft tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches across, which is perfect for wrapping. Next, pick your favorite protein. Seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or black beans all work wonderfully. Don't forget a hearty base of rice, like cilantro lime or Spanish rice, to make it truly filling. Finally, gather your fresh toppings such as diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, and a dollop of sour cream for that perfect finish. Now, let's get those fillings ready. Begin by cooking your protein thoroughly, making sure it's seasoned perfectly to bring out all those delicious flavors. A crucial step is to warm your tortillas. A quick 15 seconds in a pan or microwave makes them wonderfully pliable and less likely to tear. Dice or shred any fresh vegetables into small, manageable pieces. Having all your ingredients prepped and organized before you start assembling will make the entire process smooth and enjoyable. It's time for the fun part, assembling your masterpiece. Lay your warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Start by spreading a thin layer of beans or rice down the center. Next, add your cooked protein, remembering to leave about 1.5 inches of space clear around the edges. Now, pile on your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, a spoonful of salsa, and those fresh vegetables. Remember, don't overfill. Aim for about 1.5 to 2 cups of total filling for the best wrap. Finally, let's master the art of wrapping. First, fold the two opposite sides of the tortilla inward over your delicious filling, about 2 inches on each side. Then, bring the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over the filling, tucking it in tightly to secure everything. Now, roll the burrito forward firmly, keeping those sides tucked in as you go to create a compact, perfect cylinder. Serve your homemade burrito immediately, or wrap it in foil to keep it warm and intact for later enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.